Massage is more than just a luxurious treat. It's a powerful tool for healing and relaxation, benefiting both the giver and the receiver. A full-body massage involves using your hands to knead and stroke the muscles and soft tissues throughout the entire body. This ancient practice dates back thousands of years and is found in various cultures worldwide. From ancient China to ancient Greece, people have recognized the incredible power of touch to soothe the body, mind, and spirit. Imagine the feeling of warm oil gliding over your skin, melting away tension and stress. This is just one of the many sensations you can experience during a full-body massage. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this guide will provide you with the knowledge and confidence to give a fantastic full-body massage. Let's begin our journey to unlock the healing power of touch. Let's begin with the head. Gently place your fingertips on the scalp and use circular motions, moving slowly from the hairline to the base of the skull. This helps to relieve headaches and promote relaxation. Moving down to the neck and shoulders, these areas often carry a lot of tension. Use your thumbs to knead the muscles on either side of the spine, applying gentle pressure. Next, move to the shoulders, using your thumbs and fingers to work the muscles. The back is a large area, so use long, gliding strokes with the palms of your hands. Apply pressure along either side of the spine, moving from the lower back upwards. Avoid putting direct pressure on the spine itself. For the arms and legs, use long, sweeping strokes with your palms, moving from the upper arm down to the hands and from the thighs down to the feet. Use circular motions around the joints, such as the elbows, knees, and ankles. Each massage technique offers unique benefits. Scalp massage can reduce headaches, while neck and shoulder massage can alleviate tension caused by stress and poor posture. Back massages can ease lower back pain, improve circulation, and reduce muscle tightness. Massaging the arms and legs can improve flexibility, reduce muscle soreness, and promote lymphatic drainage. Beyond the physical benefits, massage also has a profound impact on mental and emotional well-being. It can reduce anxiety, improve sleep quality, and promote a sense of overall calm and well-being. By incorporating regular massage into your life, either as a giver or receiver, you can experience these incredible benefits and unlock the healing power within. Section 4. Creating a sanctuary for relaxation. Creating a calming atmosphere is crucial for a truly relaxing massage experience. Choose a quiet space where you won't be interrupted and dim the lights to create a soothing ambiance. Temperature is essential for comfort. Make sure the room is warm enough so your recipient doesn't feel cold. Use a heating pad or warm towels to keep the muscles warm and relaxed. Soft music can enhance relaxation. Choose calming melodies or nature sounds to create a tranquil atmosphere. Additionally, consider using essential oils like lavender or chamomile, known for their relaxing properties. Remember, the goal is to create a sanctuary where your recipient can fully unwind and let go of tension. By paying attention to these details, you can create a truly transformative experience. Section 5. Embrace the art of massage. Congratulations! You've now learned the basic techniques and benefits of a full-body massage. Remember, practice is key. The more you massage, the more confident and intuitive you will become. Don't be afraid to experiment with different techniques and pressure levels to find what works best for you and your recipient. Always communicate with the person you're massaging, asking for feedback and adjusting your touch accordingly. Giving a massage is a wonderful gift you can share with loved ones. It's a way to show you care, to connect on a deeper level, and to promote healing and well-being. So, embrace the art of massage and enjoy the many benefits it brings.